Good morning, children. Today's date is 5th October. The year is 2021. Today's day is Tuesday, and in our phonics class we'll be learning the sound of a new letter. Yes, so we'll be learning the sound of letter F. Yes, so the name of the letter is F, and we'll be learning its sound. So children, this one, the big one here that you see, is the capital letter F. Yes, that's the big F, the capital letter F. And this one here is the lowercase letter F in the printed format. Yes, you will see this lowercase letter when you're reading a book, on the computer when you are typing. Yes, this is the way letter F is formed in the printed format. Yes, so this is the capital F. And this is the lowercase letter f in the printed format. Yes, they look a little different. Yes, but the name of the letter is the same. This is also F and this is also F. This is the capital F and this is the lowercase letter f in the printed format. Now coming to the important part, the sound of this letter. Yes, the sound of both these letters is the same. Yes, the sound for this letter is F. Yes, you blow some air out. Okay, so the name of this letter is F. Both these letters is F, and the sound for both these letters is F. This is again lowercase letter F. Yes, we'll be learning how to write this letter next week. Yes, this is the way we write it. This is the way we write lowercase letter F. Again, the sound of the letter is the same. The sound for letter F is F. Yes. Few pictures here that begin with the sound F. Okay, so let's start the first row here. Fish. 4. Yes, this is the number 4, and we can count the bees. There are some honey bees here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, again, the beginning sound in the word 4 is F. This is called a fence. Fan. Fire. Fork. Yes. This is used to eat Maggi or your noodles. Yes, you use fork and not the spoon. Then we have fingers. 5. This is the number 5. Again, beginning with the sound. This is called the face. Face. Food. Or you can also call it. We have some fruits as well in here. Yes, food, and even fruits begin with the sound F. These are called feet. Feet. This is a feather. Yes, birds have feather. That again begins with the sound F. Let's have a look again with these words. Fish. 4, fence, fan, fire, fork, fingers, 5, face, food, feet, feather. All these pictures here began with the sound. Yes, the letter F, and the sound for this letter F is F. Now coming to the homework sheet, I want you to take a printout of this sheet, or you can copy this sheet. Yes, these are some easy pictures. You can copy the pictures in your literacy notebook. Yes, so if you're taking a printout, complete the worksheet and attach it to your literacy notebook. And if you're copying it in your literacy notebook, well and good. You have to just complete it in your literacy notebook then. Okay? So let's come to this sheet now. Yes, so you have to tick the pictures that begin with the sound. Okay, if the beginning sound of the picture is, you have to tick it. And if it does not begin with the sound, you do not tick it. Okay, so let's come to here to the first one. What is this? This is the number 4. Now the word 4. Does it begin with the sound? Yes, it does. 4. The starting sound is, so you tick it. The next is a picture of a rabbit. Yes, rabbit. Does it begin with the sound? No, the beginning sound in the word rabbit is r. So you do not tick it. Next is a picture of a fish. Now the word fish. Does it begin with the sound? Yes, you have to focus on the beginning sound. So in the word fish, the beginning sound is, so you can tick it. The next, what is this? It's a picture of a flower. Yes, a flower. Now the word flower, does it begin with the sound? Yes, it does begin with the sound flower. Yes, so you tick it. The next one, this boy is playing with a ball. Yes, it's a ball, but specifically it is a football. Yes, he's playing with a football. So, football. This word doesn't begin with the sound. Yes, it does. Football. Yes, so you tick it. The next one. Yes, which color is this? The color is red. Now the word red, does it begin with the sound? No, it begins with the sound red. So you do not tick it. Now next, what are these? These are apple, banana, pears, grapes, orange. Yes, so what are they called? They are called fruits. Yes, now the word fruits. Does it begin with the sound? Yes, fruits. So you tick it. The next is a picture of a pig. Now the word pig. What's the beginning sound here? In the word pig, the beginning sound is p. Yes, so we do not tick it. I'm only looking for words that begin with the sound in this sheet. Yes, so this way you're going to complete the sheet by ticking only pictures that begin with the sound. Yes, so you can complete the sheet and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning.